morning students, welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Max online class. Today we will see the exercise 1.2 remaining sums. 7, 8, 9, it's our homework sum. 7th sum use example 1.7. 8th sum use property of power set, that examples. 9th one use example 1.9, that is number of subset and number of the proper subset. Okay. 10th one, first one, if n of a equal to 4, then find n of p of a. Here n of a equal to m, therefore how many number of element? 4, m equal to 4. What is the find out value? N of p of a, that is number of subset. What is the formula number of subset? 2 power m. N of p of a equal to 2 power m. Now m equal to 4. Substitute m equal to 4, that equal to 2 power 4. Therefore, we write 2 in 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. N of p of a equal to 16. Can you understand? Okay. Second one, if n of a equal to 0, find n of p of a. Here n of a equal to m, therefore what is m equal to? 0. Find n of p of a, that is number of subset. What is the formula of number of subset? 2 power m. That equal to, we substitute m equal to 0, therefore 2 power 0. What is anything power 0? Very good, that is 1. Therefore 2 power 0 equal to 1. That's all. Any doubt? Okay. Third one, if n of p of a equal to 256, then find n of a. So number of subset is given, find number of set. Therefore n of p of a equal to 256. N of p of a equal to 2 power m. Therefore 2 power m equal to 256. We write 256, that equal to 2 power 8. Therefore 2 power m equal to 2 power 8. What is m equal to? Base are equal, power also equal. Therefore m equal to 8. Therefore n of a equal to 8. Next topic, set operations. What are the set operations? We have 5 operations. First one, complement of a set. Second one, union of 2 sets. Third one, intersection of 2 sets. Fourth one, difference of 2 sets. Fifth one, symmetric difference of sets. The first one is complement of a set. The complement of a set A is the set of all elements of U that are not in A. U means that is universal set. It's denoted by A dash or A power C. Therefore A dash equal to X such that X belongs to U. U means universal set, but not X does not belongs to A. X belongs to U, does not belongs to A, that is A dash. For example, if U equal to all boys in a class and A equal to boys who play cricket, then complement of the set A is A dash equal to boys who do not play cricket. That is a example. Venn diagram for complement of a set. The box is universal set. In the circle is set A. Shaded region. A is shaded region. What is A dash? Except A. So does not belongs to A, belongs to U. Therefore A dash is second one shaded region. Can you understand? Does not belongs to A except A, that is called A dash. Simple. Next one, union of 2 sets. The union of 2 sets A and B is the set of all elements which are either in A or in B or in both elements we have, that is union. It's denoted by A union B, that symbol is union symbol, and read as A union B. In symbol A union B equal to set of x such that x belongs to A or x belongs to B. For example, P equal to Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, and Q equal to Europe, North America, South America, then the union set of P and Q is P union Q. Write both elements of P and Q. Therefore, what are the countries? Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Australia in P set. Then second one, Q set equal to Europe, North America, South America, that is P union Q. Okay, union means join the two sets. Repeated elements write only one times. We have no repeated elements, therefore write all elements of P and Q, that is P union Q. Can you understand? Okay. The union of two sets can be represented by Venn diagram as given below. That is, first one, set box is universal set. We have two circle, that is set A, and second one set B. So A union B means write full set A and draw full set B, that is shaded region. That is, we use Venn diagram, shade A and B, all the part of A union B, that is A union B. Second one, that is a disjoint set. We have no common element. That's also A set A union B means A set fully shaded and B set fully shaded. That is union of two sets. Example for Venn diagram. Can you understand? Third one, intersection of two sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all elements common to both A and B. That is the intersection. Both A and B common elements, that is intersection. It's denoted by A intersection B, that symbol is A intersection symbol, and as read as A intersection B. In symbol A intersection B, that equal to x such that x belongs to A and x belongs to B. Therefore, intersection means both A and B common elements, that is a intersection. For example, if A equal to set of 1, 2, 6, B equal to set of 2, 3, 4, then A intersection B equal to, what are the common elements? 1 in A but not in B. 2 in A is an also element in B. 6 in A but not belongs to B. Therefore, only one elements 2 is intersection. Then A intersection B equal to 2 is a common element, that is set of 2, because 2 is a common element of the sets A and B. Can you understand? Intersection means that write only common element of both A and B sets. Venn diagram, for example, intersection of two sets can be represented by a Venn diagram as given below. The box will be universal set. We have two circles A and B, that is common part, that is circle A and circle B. The common part is shaded, that is A intersection B. That is a Venn diagram for A intersection B. Okay. Fourth one, difference of two sets. Let A and B be two sets. The difference of set A and B is the set of all elements which are in A but not in B. A minus difference means A minus B is elements which are in A but not in B. It's denoted by A minus B or A difference B, that is difference symbol, and read as A difference B in symbol A minus B that equal to x such that x belongs to A and x belongs to B, that is A minus B. So A minus B means first difference means A x belongs to A but in not belongs to B, that is A minus B. Next one B minus A means we take another set y equal y such that y belongs to B, belongs to first set, does not belongs to second set. Here first set is B, therefore y belongs to B and y does not belongs to A. Can you understand? So Venn diagram for set difference, we have A minus B1, B minus A1, second one disjoint set A minus B, that is first one A minus B. We have two sets circle A and B. A minus B means that is except B. We removing full part of B, the remaining part of A, that is shaded. Second one B minus A means first we have B set, that is shaded only B because B belongs to X, does not belongs to A, therefore second one A, removing the A part fully. Third one A minus B means except B, therefore only shaded A set, that is A minus B. Okay. Last one symmetric difference of sets. The symmetric difference of two sets A and B is the set of A difference B union B difference A. It's denoted by A delta B. Symmetric difference symbol is delta. Therefore A delta B equal to A difference B union B difference A, that is a symmetric difference formula. So A delta B equal to x such that x belongs to A minus B or x belongs to B minus A. Okay, x belongs to A minus B or x belongs to B minus A, that is A union B method of A union B, that is A delta B. Can you understand? Okay. Next example 1.10. If u equal to c comma d comma e comma f comma g comma h comma I comma j and a equal to c comma d comma g comma j, then find a dash. The solution. What is the meaning of a dash? That is complement of set A. Therefore given u equal to c comma d comma e comma f comma g comma h comma I comma j and a equal to c comma d comma g comma j. What is the formula of a dash? That equal to universal set difference A. Difference means first listen, first we cancel the common elements of both u and A. Therefore what are the common elements? C, C, therefore cancel first C. Second one D, D, D is cancel. Next one G, G is cancel. Last one is J, J cancel. Therefore the remaining elements of first set, that is A dash. C, D, G, J are cancel. Next what are the remaining elements? E, comma F, comma H, comma I. Therefore A dash equal to set of E, comma F, comma I, comma H. Next example 1.11. If P equal to set of M comma N and q equal to m comma I comma j, then represent p and q in Venn diagram and hence find p union q. Solution: therefore from Venn diagram both all sets p and q, that is p union q, that equal to what are the elements p and q? N comma m comma I comma j. That is a answer. Okay. Example 1.12. Let a equal to x such that x is an even natural number and 1 less than x less than or equal to 12, and b equal to x such that x is a multiple of 3 comma x belongs to n and x less than or equal to 12. B two sets. Find a intersection b. Here first solution, we explain the value of a and b. Therefore first a equal to even natural number, that is 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10 comma 12, and b equal to multiple of 3 less than or equal to 12. Therefore 3 comma 6 comma 9 comma 12, that is set b. Therefore a intersection b means that is common element of both a and b. We have, what are the common elements? 2 in a, not in b, 4 not in b, 6 in b, 8 not in b, 10 is not in b, 12 is an element of b. Therefore a intersection b equal to 6 comma 12. Example 1.13. If a equal to set of 2 comma 3 and c equal to empty set, find a intersection b. Solution: intersection means any common element. We have write any common elements. Here a is 2 comma 3, c is empty set. 2 comma 3 is an element of a but not element of c. Therefore no common elements and hence a intersection b equal to empty set. Can you understand? Okay. Example 1.14. If a equal to set of -3, -2, 1, comma 4 and b equal to 0, 1, 2, 4, find first one a difference b, second one b difference a. Solution: a difference b means we write a and b set, a minus b, a difference b. First we cancel the common element of both sets. First we cancel the common elements. What are the common elements of both a and b? Right, 1 comma 4. Now cancel 1 comma 4. The remaining right in first set elements. What are the first set element? 3 minus 3 comma minus 2, that is a minus b. We have a minus b equal to minus 3 comma minus 2, and second question is b minus a, that equal to b difference a equal to, that's also cancel the common elements. What are the common elements? 1 comma 4. Cancel 1 comma 4. Remaining right in first set element, set of elements b minus a equal to 0 comma 2, that is a b minus a. Can you understand? A minus b or b minus a, both first cancel the common elements, then write in the element of first set only. Don't write elements of second set. Okay. Example 1.15. If a equal to set of 6, 7, 8, 9 and b equal to set of 8, 10, 12, find a delta b. A delta b means that is symmetric difference. Solution: what is the formula of symmetric difference? A difference b union b difference a. First we find a difference b and b difference a. A difference b means we cancel the common element of both set, write remaining element of first set a. Therefore, we have 8 only common elements. Cancel 8 value. Remaining A is A minus B equal to 6, 7, 9. Second one B minus A means cancel the common element, write in only B set elements. Therefore, 8 also cancel. B remaining value is 10, 12, that is B minus A. Therefore, A delta B equal to A minus B union B minus A. A minus B, A difference B is 6, 7, 9. Union B difference A is 10, 12. What is the meaning of union? Joining the both sets. Therefore, joining all elements 6, 7, 9, 10, 12, that is symmetric difference. Can you understand? Okay. Next example 1.16 represent A delta B through a Venn diagram. Solution: A delta B equal to A difference B union B difference A. That is a formula. Represent Venn diagram, using Venn diagram represent the A delta B. First one, A difference B. What is the meaning of A difference B? That is except B. We draw shaded only A, that is A difference B means only A, that part is only A. Second one is B difference A, that is also B only except A, that is B difference A. Now A delta B equal to A difference B union B difference A. Therefore, union means joining the two value of A difference B and B difference A. That is third diagram, A difference B union B difference A. Can you understand? Okay. We'll see on next class. Thank you.